Hi, we'll be solving remainder problem today. What is the remainder when we divide 2 raised to 100 by 100? Now we need to find what is the remainder when a number which is 2 raised to 100 is divided by 100. Now whenever we have to find remainder by 100, we just need to find the last two digits of the number so that we can find the remainder of the number by 100, because the last two digits of a number will be same as remainder of the number by 100. Now we have 2 raised to 100 here. This can be written as 2 raised to 10 into 10, which can be written as 2 raised to 10 whole raised to 10, which is equal to 1024 raised to 10. Now, whenever we have to find the remainder or the last two digits of this number, which is 1024 raised to 10, we just need to focus on the last two digits. So the last two digits here are 24. So the last two digits of this will be same as last two digits of 24 raised to 10. And 24 is a very interesting number because 24 into 24 last two digit is 76. And 76 into 24 last two digits is equal to 24 itself. 24 will give the units digit as 76 when we have an even power, and will give the units digit as 24 when we have an odd power. Now, in this case, since we have an even power, that means the last two digits will be 76. So the last two digits of 2 raised to 100 will be equal to 76. That means remainder of 76 by 100 will be equal to 76, and answer will be option number D. Now, if you want to learn how to find similar patterns in units digit and last two digits, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful, and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.